Hello, beautiful and creative people. In this video, I'll show one of multiple ways how to sew small Amsterdam bag with shoulder strap and zipper. Step 1. Inner bag assembly. Fold inner pocket top line in 0.5 cm on wrong side twice and top stitch. Place inner pocket wrong side on inner back right side and sew them together close to edges. Pin and sew sides and bottom, front and back outer pieces matching notches. Step 2. Outer pocket. Place front and pocket top lines right sides together and sew zipper between them. Top stitch top line. Finish zipper open edge with pocket binding. Place outer pocket wrong side on outer front right side. Pin and sew along all pocket edge. Step 3. Outer bag assembly. Place each zipper long edge between two top right sides. Pin and sew. Pin and sew outer front, back top strap or strap holders with sides and bottom. Make cuts in 2-3 mm from bottom seam. Step 4. Outer and inner bag joining. Press inner top line seam allowance on wrong side. Place outer bag inside inner bag and sew inner top line with hand stitches. Turn outer bag outside. In case of strap holders, make and attach a strap. And that's it! Enjoy your Amsterdam bag.